Now let's move on to the next one, important trig identities. Alright, so you have three important ones. This called Pythagorean trig identities, right? So the first one, it could be sine square of s plus cosine square of s equals 1. Second one, you have 1 plus tangent square of s equals secant square of s, right? And the third one, 1 plus cotangent square of s equals cosecant square of s, right? Now, the following equation is a trig identity, right? Now, you need to prove the left hand side equal to right hand side. Choose which side you and your table partner will differentiate. Play rock, scissors, paper if you cannot agree. Work independently to solve your problem and compare your answer with that of your table partner's derivative of the other side of the equation. Are they the same? Alright, so basically I'm going to take the derivative on the left hand side first, right? So it could be 1 minus cosine s over sine s, right? I'm going to use the quotient rule, right? So it's going to be 1 minus cosine derivative is going to be sine s, right? Because derivative of 1 equals 0, derivative of cosine s could be negative sine s, so negative becomes positive times sine s right here, right? And then minus derivative of sine s could be cosine s, right? And then times 1 minus cosine s, right? Over sine square of s, right? Now I'm going to simplify this one. It's going to be sine square of s. Negative cosine times negative cosine is going to be plus cosine square of s, right? And then negative cosine times 1 is going to be negative cosine s over sine square of s, right? So sine square plus cosine square of s equals 1. So give it 1 minus cosine s over sine square of s, right? I leave it over there. Second one, I need to take derivative of cosecant s minus cotangent s, right? So now derivative of cosecant s is going to be negative cosecant s cotangent s, right? Now derivative of cotangent s is going to be negative cosecant square of s, right? So minus negative cosecant square of s, right? Now I'm going to simplify this one. This turns out to be negative cosecant s cotangent s plus cosecant square of s, right? Now I need to prove this guy equal this guy, right? So how do I do it? I'm going to use trig identity, right? Now I'm going to split this function, right? So I can be 1 over sine square of s, right? Minus cosine s over sine square of s, right? Now 1 over sine square of s is going to be cosecant square of s, right? Now cosine s over sine square of s can be written as cosine s over sine s times 1 over sine s, right? So I need to eliminate square right here, right? So cosine s over sine s will be cotangent s, and 1 over sine s will be cosecant s, right? Now this guy right here and this guy right here actually the same, and it's good time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.